Hey friends, it's Mari. Welcome back to my channel. I have a few things to share with you today, and I'm going to be starting off here sharing this really awesome Let It Snow kit. This is a kit from Scrapbook and Cards Today. It's an SCT Delivered Kit. These are quarterly curated kits that they sell over on their website, and these kits are absolutely amazing. So I wanted to share this kit with you today and show you all of the details. So one of the things that you get with these kits is this really heavy color set of instructions, including an ingredients list for the kit. And so this kit on this page here shows you all of the exclusives that are in the kit, the cardstock, the pattern paper, and the embellishments. And then on the inside of this really gorgeous brochure, you get a whole bunch of really great inspiration for the kit, including these designs by Megan Andrew. There's designs by Jen Gallagher, and there's also designs in here by Lisa Dickinson. The designs are absolutely stunning. They are always so well done, and I just absolutely love the value in these kits. So if you are a beginner scrapper, and you really like to follow instructions, this is a really great opportunity for you to get some really fantastic up-to-date products and some great inspiration. This also comes with bonus kit materials, including PDFs that you can see here on the screen. You can just go onto the website or onto the site that's listed and you can download the designs. You can also follow the page sketches that are included, and there's also card sketches in the kit as well. This brochure folds out like I'm showing you here. It's double-sided and it is chock full of fantastic inspiration for you. In the kit, you always get a 4x6 stamp set, and these are exclusive stamp sets that are designed by the design team over at Scrapbook and Cards Today. And you can see all of the really amazing sentiments and images that are part of this winter kit. So you can see there's a mix of font types. There's some really cool images, including some snowflakes, etc. That's a really neat stamp set. You also get these Jolie's Boutique Bling enamel dots. These ones are gold and they're kind of a faceted enamel dot. They're really, really pretty, super shiny, and there's a few different sizes of the dots on this sheet. And you can see that you get a ton of different dots on that sheet. You also get the Snowflake Die Cut Ephemera pack, and this is from Crate Paper. I'm going to show you a close-up here of all of the different pieces that you get, and I think there's 40 pieces in that pack. There's a lot. Anyways, it's a really great little die cut pack for embellishing your different projects. You also get this set of alphas or thickers, and I think these maybe were from Dear Lizzie's last collection, but I'm not 100% sure. They are white, they're really neat size, and they're a little bit holographic, and they also include numbers and a few different symbols. You also get this really great set of pink paisley cardstock stickers, and this is from the Together for Christmas collection, which is a beautiful collection. I love the colors in this collection. You also get some really great little sentiment stickers, which are fantastic for cards or for embellishing your scrapbook layouts, and a ton of different little images here that you can use as embellishments on your projects. Whether it's, if you're doing a craft project of some type, some sort of 3D thing, lots of different opportunities and options for those stickers. You also get this really cool little embellishment pack. And in this little Ziploc bag, you get a whole bunch of different little pieces, including these little acrylic phrase pieces here. One says love and one says peace. And you can see that the colors are going to match up nicely with the other embellishments in the kit. You get a bunch of these little snowflakes. I think there's 7 of them or something like that in this little embellishment pack. Some of them are really shiny and pretty, and some of them are matte. And you also get some twine, which is red and white twine. I'll show you a close-up of that in a second here. And I'm just spreading out all of the snowflakes. You can see them. There's a few little acrylic stars in there, which match up with the phrases. And I'm just going to show you a close-up of some of those, how some of those snowflakes are really pretty and shiny. And then you can see all of the different snowflakes you get in that little kit of embellishments. You get 3 little tags that have the metal border on them, and then here's a close-up of that twine that you get as well in the kit, so you can use that with those tags if you want. You also get a really sweet little roll of washi. I'm going to just open this up a little bit, unroll it so that you can see it. It's kind of like almost has a little bit of a lace pattern on it. It's really pretty. I love it. And I think it would be really, really nice for a bunch of different applications. It kind of looks like it would be really great for a border. I really love that. And you also get 3 little cardstock journaling spots as well, which are always wonderful. You never want to forget to get that journaling onto your projects. And I really love that these are included in this little embellishment pack. You also get a couple of card bases and 2 envelopes. So this little piece of white paper that I'm showing you here is a card base for a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inch card, and it's scored and all ready to go for you. And there's 2 envelopes included, like I said, so that you can create a couple of cards with your kit as well using those different embellishments. And I'm going to show you the pattern papers next that you get with the kit. Sorry for that noise. That was my keyboard. You also get, so in this kit, you get a bunch of different cardstock, but I am going to show you the patterned paper first. So there's a ton of pattern paper in this kit. Just going to count this up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 sheets of patterned paper in the kit. And it's a mixture of the crepe paper snowflake, Pink Paisley Together for Christmas, and Cardabella Snow Much Fun collections. This piece here that I'm showing you is from the Pink Paisley collection. All of the Pink Paisley papers are numbered. This is paper number 4 from that collection, Together for Christmas. You can see the beautiful patterns on these papers as I'm going to show them to you. I'm going to try to show you a close-up as much as I can here so that you can appreciate the different patterns on these papers. So pretty. I love how the different colors in the different collections also coordinate. So when they put these kits together, they just do a really great job of matching up different collections together so that they are complementary, and you can just be really creative and combine them in whatever way you choose to. So you can see that the papers are absolutely gorgeous. I love a sheet that's got these square cut aparts, because what you can do with this is you can also use your circle punch on them, or you can keep them as squares if you want, or if you want to use this side of the paper, it's also beautiful. It's a really icy blue with a white dot. This is another paper from the Pink Paisley collection. It's the black and white gingham, and I really love this side with the text. It's that really rich, pretty red with a white text, and all of the text is holiday themed. This is one of these Snow Much Fun papers. It's this really adorable cut apart. I love this, and I just think that there's so many ways that you could use this. And if you're into pocket scrapbooking, you could definitely use this paper for that, of course. And then it's got that really fun plaid on the back. This is another one of these snowflake collection papers. I really, really love this green tone here. It's almost like a deep blue green. It's really pretty. I love that pattern that's on that as well. And another paper from Snowflake, that really gorgeous winter red. And I love the combination of the pinks and that icy blue as well. That's a really, really fun paper there. That pattern's really cute. And then this is another snowflake paper that coordinates really well, obviously, with the rest of the collection. And on the back, there's an option where you can also make some tags out of these particular cut aparts. This paper also from the, I'm just thinking, yeah, this one's from Snow Much Fun, again from Cardabella. And you can see how this coordinates nicely with the other 2 collections that are in the kit as well, with similar tones of blue. I'm just showing you that here, and so on. So very, very nice. You also get a bunch of basil texture cardstock, and that includes Red Devil, sparkle, guacamole, diamond, and smoky. And you get 2 sheets of the smoky and 2 sheets of the diamond. The diamond is the white, and it's called diamond because it's got this really pretty sparkle to it. And I'm going to show that to you up close here very quickly. I'm going to show you the sparkle, which is kind of that bluey green, and the diamond up close because they both have a really pretty sort of glittery pearlescent tone to them, which I feel is very nice for winter projects. So there you can see that. I hope that does it justice. You can see how really gorgeous these papers are. So that is a lot of pattern paper and cardstock in these 2 kits. This kit is amazing value. I am going to leave the link in the description box below so you can check it out. Please make sure that you take a good look at these SCT Delivered Kits. They're amazing. I want to share this other project with you today. This design comes from Virginia Niebel, who is on the Scrapbook and Cards Today design team. I will leave a link to Virginia's blog where the instructions for this onion envelope are included. I did this class with Virginia at Scrapbook and Cards Today magazine Crop and Create event a couple of years ago, and it's really cool. This was actually originally created, I believe, as a little mini photo album, and you can see all of the little areas here. I'm showing you where you could put pictures, but what I did was I made a whole bunch of these this year for my family for Christmas, and I put gift cards in them instead of photos. But you can see how you can use up a lot of your different Christmas papers and embellishments in a really fun project. This, I feel, is an adorable project that is not that difficult to put together. Once you have the template, it's pretty easy to make, and it's actually a lot of fun. So I wanted to share this onion envelope with you today as a project for you for possible future things that you might want to do. And like I said, I will leave the link in the description box below so that if you decide you want to make something like this, it's great for any time of year. You could use any theme paper for this. It doesn't have to obviously be for Christmas. It could be for any, time of year or whatever it is, any gift giving time, whatever you might want to use it for. Love that project. I think it's super cool. What's coming in 2020 here on my channel? What a great question at this time of year. I've got a lot of ideas, a lot of things that I have in the works for my channel for 2020. Those things include new design team projects. I am going to be part of the Not Too Shabby Shop in 2020. And so I'll have projects for Jamie and the Not Too Shabby Shop here on my channel. Of course, I am going to be continuing with Just Nick, so I will have more Just Nick content here. And I'm also going to have a new schedule here on my channel in 2020. So that means that there are going to be specific projects on specific days, and there are going to be themes going on. I'm also going to be having regular giveaways every week here on my channel, so watch for that as well. So I have lots of new things coming up in 2020 over here on YouTube. Lots of fun stuff that I have planned, and I hope that you're going to join me. I hope you are ready for some fun and new things, and I definitely am ready for that. For those of you who haven't been following me, I'm newly retired this year. We've done quite a bit of vacationing in the last few months, but we don't have any vacations planned for the near future, and I'm ready to just kind of settle down and really get some regular things posted here on my YouTube channel. I'm really looking forward to that. I'm looking forward to interacting with you, my subscribers, on a regular basis. I think that will be a lot of fun. I hope you think that it will be too, and I'm really looking forward to that. Wishing you all the best this holiday season as it continues, and the best of everything in 2020, and I hope to see you here on YouTube, here on my channel. Have an amazing day, friends, and I'll see you back soon. Bye-bye.